What is the claims process like for a medical insurance policy? So it's pretty straightforward, to be honest. Most of the insurers have online pre-approval forms. If you have an advisor, that's our job, is to manage the claims for you. So the pre-approval is the key thing. If you know that you're going to go and see your specialist or you need to get surgery done, let the insurer know in advance, because that way they can request forms from either your GP or they could request it from you to get the treatment covered and get you in the queue to get it done as soon as possible, and to keep it as straightforward as possible. So how it works, you upload your specialist quote or referral from your GP as well, and they come back to you with the approval. After that, they pay the provider directly, or they reimburse you. If you haven't had that pre-approval done, you go to your specialist, you go and get your treatment done, and you provide your invoice, and the insurer will reimburse you based on that. So I help my clients every day with medical insurance claims. It's very, very common, and it can be very, very straightforward. As long as you remember that you get referred by your GP, that's the key thing. You go and see your specialist and you get your pre-approval done. So it's all done with a bow on it, and the insurers are happy and they'll happily pay the claim.